Okay guys, this is just before the zip lining, and you can see, just a second, I'll show you. Guys, we are at the biggest zip line in the world and I'm so excited because it will be my turn, and if you can just see. Okay, so guys, I'm getting ready for the longest zip line in the world. Ready? We got it!
On the rope.
This one? Okay. Oh, both hands? Can I remove? Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Una y capela, sí. ¿Qué es pasando? Here, highlight.
How is it?